Hello, I'm John. I'm 45 and I grew up in Los Angeles, California. Now, I was living the sweet life. You know, when my parents died in a car accident, I got a huge heritage. You know, I was just partying and partying and partying, and all of a sudden there was no money left, and I was in a huge debt. I told one of my friends, Keith, and he said he could help me out there because he knew a guy that wanted him to smuggle cocaine over the border, and it would give $15,000. He told me that he had said no because, you know, he had a family and all that kind of stuff, but he said he could get it working so that I did a trip instead of him. First, you know, I didn't want to do it because, you know, it's quite risky and stuff, but, you know, I just needed the money really bad, so I said yes. And he got it arranged, and I didn't even get to meet the guy. Keith just one day showed up with a ticket to Afghanistan and said that I would get the cocaine once I got there. I went over there and went to my hotel, if you can even call it that. It was a shitty, crappy motel with graffiti all over the wall. I stayed in my hotel room for 3 days, and then it knocked on the door, and it was this guy, Adrian, and I found out it was him who arranged it all to happen. He came with 4 large bags of cocaine, and I thought, man, there's a lot of cocaine there, man. I was really frightened to go through custom with that. When I got to the airport, I was really nervous, and the line was so long. It felt like it took forever to be first in line. When I approached the gate, I saw this one security guard looking at me weird. But luckily the guy behind the desk let me through, and my first thought was kind of like, man, I can't believe that happened, you know, I did it. But then the security guard that I noticed before looking weird at me, he came over to me and said he needed to frisk me to see if I was carrying some illegal substances. I was nervous as hell, and when they found the cocaine, I knew I was a goner. I have now been in prison for 10 years, but I still have 20 to go. The prison is rough, man, and there isn't often a day that goes by without a fight with one of the other inmates. It's crazy. If I could have changed anything, I would have probably thought a little bit further than what I did when I got offered the job. And I probably wouldn't have carried so much cocaine at once. Hi guys, be sure to like this video because I really used a lot of time on making it. I have never used so much time on making a video before, so please like this video and consider subscribing if you're new to my channel. And yep, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.